Here's how to lock apps in iPhone using Face ID. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can lock apps in iPhone using Face ID. So yeah, what you have to do is just hold the app and it will just bring up this. So just press on require Face ID right over here. You'll see the option. Once you press on it, just press on require Face ID again. So it will just take a look at your face and do this. And once you go to the app, it will just require Face ID every time you open it. So here, as you can see, yeah. So this is how you lock apps. So let me show you another example. Just hold the app. Here, as you can see that I don't have it, but yeah, just hold the app and press on require Face ID, and there you go. It's locked now. So if I open it, it's gonna ask for my face. So here, as you can see, yeah. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can lock apps on iPhone using Face ID. So I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.